Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Temu shopping app. So, in order to do this, first of all, open your mobile phone and navigate to Play Store. After opening Play Store on your mobile phone, click on the search icon at the bottom of the screen and you will see this page. Click on the search bar at the top and search for Temu. So type in Temu in the search bar and you will see some search results. Here, you're going to click on Temu icon and it will show up this page. Here, you'll be able to see the review, the file size and description for Temu on this page. We'll have to simply click on the install icon here. Now, when you click on install, Temu will automatically start downloading onto your mobile phone and it will be automatically installed. Now you can click on open icon and this will instantly open Temu on your mobile phone. Now click on accept all and click on sign in. Then sign in using Google, Facebook, email or your phone number. After you sign in or sign up on Temu, you would have successfully opened Temu account and downloaded and installed it too. So that's how you download and install Temu shopping app. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.